In a small coastal town, there lived a guillemot named Gulliver. He was known for his friendly nature and trusting heart. One day, Gulliver noticed a shiny object at the water's edge. Approaching carefully, he found it was a mirror. "What a wonderful find!" Gulliver exclaimed. He admired his reflection, thinking he looked handsome. Suddenly, a sneaky seagull, named Sly, appeared. "You have a beautiful feather in your head," Sly lied, pointing to Gulliver's reflection. Gulliver, believing Sly, flapped his wings frantically to remove the imaginary feather. Days passed, and Gulliver continued his daily routine. Sly, seeing an opportunity, approached again. "Your reflection shows a pebble on your beak," Sly lied once more. Gulliver, believing Sly, worked tirelessly to remove the pebble. One day, a wise old tern named Trevor noticed Gulliver's distress. "Why do you always seem so troubled, Gulliver?" Trevor asked. Gulliver shared his predicament, confessing his trust in Sly's lies. Trevor chuckled. "Sly is a known trickster. Always remember, not everyone speaks the truth. Learn to verify before you believe." Gulliver felt ashamed but grateful for Trevor's advice. From that day forward, he became more discerning and less gullible. The lesson was clear: trust must be earned, not given lightly. Moral: never believe everything you hear without verifying the truth.